Okay, so you just under 20 pounds. Whoop. Yeah, comes back up to 20. So it stays at 20. And then it just goes down to 0.